10 raised to 23 molecules, number of molecules 10 to the power 23, each having a mass of each molecule, it is 3 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg, strikes per second per square centimeter, strikes per second per square centimeter of a rigid wall at an angle of 60 degree with the normal. Means here, if this is a wall, rigid wall, then molecules, they were striking the wall, making an angle of 60 degree with a normal, making an angle of what? 60 degree with the normal. Means if v is the velocity with which molecules are striking the wall, then the component of velocity normal to the wall is v cos of 60. It is what? V cos of 60, and cos 60 is 1 by 2, so it is v by 2. So it is what? V by 2. So angle theta is equal to 60 degree with the normal, and rebound with velocity of, so velocity with which molecules they will rebound, it is 500 meter per second. Then the pressure exerted by gas molecule on the wall, pressure exerted by gas molecule on the wall, that we have to find out. Now pressure is nothing but what? Pressure is equal to force per unit area, force per unit area. But what is force? Force is nothing but rate of change of momentum dp by dt upon area, rate of change of momentum dp by dt upon area. So remember, change in momentum per unit time, change in momentum dp by dt, it is what? Change in momentum, dp by dt is change in momentum per unit time, means per second, change in momentum per second, change in momentum per second. Now component of velocity normal to the wall, what is component of velocity normal to the wall? V cos 60, it is component of velocity, component of velocity normal to the wall, because molecules, they were striking the wall, making an angle of 60 degree with the normal, making an angle of 60 degree with the normal. So remember that molecule gets rebound with velocity of 500 meter per second, with velocity of what? 500 per second. So if n represent, or before that, what is change in momentum? Change in momentum, change in momentum, we know change in momentum. See here, if m is the mass of molecule, m is the mass of molecule, and v cos 60, v cos 60 is that component of velocity which is normal. So change in momentum is equal to what? Normally mv minus of minus mv, but here velocity is v cos 60, v cos 60. So m into v cos 60 minus of minus mv into cos of 60. So change in momentum delta p is equal to twice mv cos of 60. But what is the cos 60 is 1 by 2. So it is twice mv into 1 by 2. So this 2 get cancelled with 2. So that is equal to m into v, m into v. Now if n is the number of molecules colliding per second, if small m, small n represent what? If small n is number of molecules colliding per second, number of molecules that collides per second, number of molecules collide per second, then the net change in momentum per second, net change in momentum per second, net change in momentum per second, change in momentum per second is equal to number of molecules per second multiplied by n multiplied by what? Twice mv cos of 60, and that is n into mv, n into what? mv. Now pressure is equal to pressure exerted by molecules of gas on the wall, pressure P is equal to F divided by A. F means rate of change of momentum dp by dt divided by area A. Now what is the area given per square centimeter? Means area A is equal to square centimeter converted into per square meter, so 10 raised to minus 4 per meter square. Now dp by dt, it is n into m into v, n into m into v. What is n? Is equal to 3 into 10 to the power, 3 into 10 to the power minus 27. This is mass. Velocity is 500. Number of molecules, they are what? 10 raised to 23. So 10 raised to 23 into 3 into 10 raised to minus 27 into 500 divided by 10 to the power minus 4. 10 to the power minus 4. So that is equal to 1500. See here, minus 4, it becomes plus 4. So 10 raised to 23 plus 4, 27, and 10 raised to minus 27, they get cancelled, and 3 into 500 means 1500, and the unit of pressure is Newton per meter square. So pressure P exerted by molecules of gas on the walls of container, it is 1500 Newton per meter square. So out of 4 options, which option is correct? 1500 Newton per meter square. D is the correct option for this question. D is the correct option for this question.